So welcome to the 11th JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use arrays. And what arrays do is they act as, they're one variable, but they can store as many values as you want. So you can have one variable called names, and that will list a load of names. So all of them will be listed in that one variable, but they can list as many as you want. So it can list like 50 names if you want to, rather than having like name 1, name 2, having to make like 50 million variables. So to create an array is basically similar to creating a normal variable. We're just going to do var and then let's do numbers and then set it equal to new array. So this is really important. You have to do new and then space then array. Array must have a capital A for it to work. And then we have brackets and then a semicolon. And then to add values to that, what we can do is names. To add values to that, what we can do is we can do numbers, and then we can say square brackets, because this is representing an array. And then the first stage of an array is 0. Second one is 1. Third one is 2. So basically, JavaScript and most programming languages do, this is just the way computers work. They start at 0, where humans will count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Computers start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to start at 0. And then we just set this as normal, set this equal to 1. And then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now that we've got all those values in, now we want to be able to refer to these values later. So we want to be able to get these values and put it in an alert box. So we can do alert brackets. Then here we just do numbers, and let's say we want the number 3. Then we have to put the number 2, because that's the one that links up to it. So save this, run it, launch in Chrome. That launched on my other screen, but you can see it here. I'll prove it again. So I refresh, and it comes up saying 3, because 3 is here, and it's linked up to 2, and we put 2. Now, instead of putting these all on separate lines, there's also something else that we can do. In these brackets here, we can do 1 like this, 2 like this, which is the easiest way to do it. And that just lets us put it all on one line, so that's a bit more organised and a bit easier to do. So now you can see it came up saying 3 again. If we want 1, we just put 0. And we got 1. So that's how to use it. Arrays. Arrays are pretty simple. They're very useful. They can store loads of values such as names, numbers, anything. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.